Right, so today's job is do obvious. Take that bit of paint off here and we'll try and blend it out so it you ain't got a clean line with paint or. So I'm just going to try and clean brick and fettle it out to the sides and then just probably flick it under that pipe and a little bit to the left. Yeah, we'll see how this turns out. Right, let's get into it. Yeah, just bleeding line up a little bit. I've overfilled pot as well, so I'm going to be chasing my tail with this. So there's going to be too much sand, not enough sand. Yeah, well. Right, it's easier now. Crushed glass in this, so it's really soft stuff, basically next step up from soda. My hands are burning though. See how long I can hold it up here for. Yeah, my hands are hurting that. Sound like a right puffy bugger, don't I? get that done off that ladder. I'll give you something to look at before I edit this bit out or whatever. Oh no, it's that cold, it's icing up. It's icing, look at this. Look at that, instant ice. Look, I can't bloody wash it off. Oh, shucks. These are the areas I were on about. Can't believe I'm bloody that cold, it's icing over straight away. Oh, that's ice. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Uh-oh, what am I going to do? Oh no! Can't get it off. I've got one or two areas here that I knew about. One area there. There's that there, that bit there and a bit there. And then there's them there that I need to hit with that other tool. I keep saying tool. You know what it is? It's a screwdriver. I just peck it off with a screwdriver and then run back over it with blaster. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'll just turn the sand back on for that. Let's just wash this side off. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I forgot my jet wash, so I'm gonna have to hose this off. It's gonna be an horrible job to clean up. Unless he's got one I can bother. Oh, there's a bit there, look. A bit there. Right, that bit there, that bit there. Turn some sand back on now. Right, we've got some sand on. Hit this area. That's that done. That's that one done. Right, there's a bit there. Can't really see any more. Ah, there's a bit there. Tiny little bit. The way these bricks are, they've got different faces, different angles on them, what you need to hit it at. So it's like coming out and then going back in. So right, let's get that top bit wiped off. when I peck them off and clean that up. Nice easy job today, and I've only got this to do today, so that's cool. Early finish. Right, that's its after shot, all washed off. Windows and next doors all washed off. Right, catch you up next time.